Ratatouille in the Omnia Stovetop oven. Just like in the movie, beautiful layers of fresh vegetables, slowly cooked until soft and full of flavour. And the best part, I make it in the Omnia oven and finish it in my handmade Wollie haybox cooker. Perfect for campervan cooking. Hi, I am Ma, and I love cooking in our campervan. Today, I am making ratatouille from fresh market vegetables. I also bought a tin of ratatouille, just to see what was inside. But I think we can do much better than that. Fresh ingredients, I bought everything at a local market. Aubergine, courgette, bell pepper, garlic, carrot, onion, tomatoes, and thyme. And of course, tomato sauce. Fresh ingredients always make the difference. The Omnia setup. This is my Omnia setup. I use the rack and a silicone ring that I cut to size. That way the flame cannot touch it directly. Simple, but effective. Making the sauce first, I make the base sauce. Onion, garlic, bell pepper, carrot, tomato sauce, and a little thyme. I grate the vegetables finely. Then I slice some extra garlic and keep it for later. Now stir everything together and add some tomato sauce. Place the sauce inside the silicone ring. This is where all the flavour begins. Preparing the vegetables, wash the courgettes and slice them. Then do the same with the other vegetables. Try to keep all slices about the same thickness. That way, everything cooks evenly. Add a little water to the sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Building the ratatouille. Now the fun part begins. Start layering the vegetables one by one. Yes, it takes a little time, but look at those colours. Red, green, yellow, purple. Worth every minute. My camper kitchen worktop is small, so I build it step by step, like a little production line. When the pan is full, add sliced garlic and thyme on top. Cooking in the Omnia place, the Omnia base, pan and lid together. Cook on a medium-high flame for 15 minutes, just enough to get everything started. Into the Wollie, and here is my homemade Wollie, a modern haybox cooking bag filled with real sheep wool. At the bottom, I added a silicone mat, so the hot pan cannot stick to the fabric. After 15 to 20 minutes on the flame, place the Omnia carefully into the Wollie. Put the top cushion on the lid, close the cord, and now, let time do the work. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Go for a walk, have a drink, relax. There is no flame, no power, and no need to watch it. When you open it later, your ratatouille will be soft, hot, and ready to serve. Serving time. And this is how I serve ratatouille at the campsite. Fresh, colourful, warm, and full of flavour. Enjoy. Would you like to make your own Wollie haybox cooking bag? Check the description below for the ebook link. See you in the next video. Ma.